An innovative new way to combine the contemporary style of stainless steel cable with the stability of aluminum, the Westbury VertiCable system offers unobstructed view as well as the opportunity to completely customize your railing as you see fit. Planning out your flawless railing can be done in these 3 simple steps. Standard railing heights are 36 and 42 inches, so check your local requirements before purchasing. Westbury VertiCable offers posts in 2x2, 3x3, and 4x4 inch dimensions, allowing you to choose either a slender or sizable look for your deck. DecksDirect makes ordering a complete post simple with Westbury 3-piece kits that bundle a post with a matching post cap and post skirt. If you're installing on a staircase, use a taller post to allow the stair panel to rack to the correct angle. These posts will be fastened to the surface and substructure of your deck with 4 screws through the welded base plate. Westbury VertiCable level rail kits come in 5, 6, 7, and 8 foot lengths, while the stair rail kits are available in 5 and 6 foot lengths. In these kits, you'll receive an entire VertiCable section, including color matching mounting brackets and hardware. Sections may be trimmed or divided as necessary, but simply remember to order additional sets of mounting brackets as needed. Westbury offers 5 different bracket types to allow for any deck design. For assistance in choosing the right brackets for your project, DecksDirect is always here to help. From classic flat top post caps to an ornamental LED lighted post cap, or even a crossover bracket for a continuous top rail, there's an abundance of possibilities with Westbury. Dress up your deck even more with a drink rail, side lights, or gates. The entire Westbury VertiCable railing system is ready for you right here at DecksDirect.com.
Hey, thanks for watching. My name is Mike and I'm part of the customer experience team here at DecksDirect. If you have any questions or comments, call us at 888-824-5316 or you can visit us at DecksDirect.com. And if you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear from you.